Hi everybody, welcome to ALA. We are the foundation that won the Long Table event last year. And today you are with us to have a look what we're doing for the prize that we won. We are Jackeline Boderie. This is Jackeline. She is leading the transporters team. And I am Mercedes de Bruyn and I'm leading the operation within the clinic. So what we are doing is we're purely focused on sterilization, so we spay and neuter cats and dogs. We do some education and we create some awareness for the animals. Today you've seen how our clinic runs. Animals are coming in. We have a lot of families that do not have enough money for themselves to spay and neuter their animals, so we help them. And the animals are or brought in by our transporters or brought in by the owners. They are being helped, they get surgery, they recover, and at the end of the day or the next morning they go home. Especially what we did with the money is that we bought a lot of medication, so all our medical supplies that we need in order to do the surgeries are coming from your prize and from your vote, so that is amazing. To close, I would like to thank you also on behalf of the more than 1,500 dogs and cats that we already spayed and neutered in this clinic. So we want to thank you all the voters, and you Wind Creek and the Long Table event organizers, and all the volunteers that I understood are helping with the Long Table event. We thank you so much from us, but also from the animals that we help with this prize and with this money.